Hello alpha mamas, you're welcome to the Alpha Glam. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Ifeoluwa Adekunle, and again you're welcome to the Alpha Glam. We are all about beauty, skincare, lifestyle daily. You are definitely in the right channel. And yeah, in today's video I will be doing a quick glam on how I glammed up for my church sister's anniversary. So I'm sure you've been wondering why I had that gilly and all that on at the beginning of the video. Yeah, our dress code was white and wine, and I just decided to just glam my face up and look good for the event. Of course, it's an anniversary, you have to look good. So all these products I have on the screen are what I am using on my face. I believe there's clear as possible, and of course I already applied my primer. I'm going into my foundation right now, and I'm going into this NARS foundation. I've been loving it, but the only thing I realized is that this foundation has an olive undertone, and if you are somebody that don't like olive undertone, you have to mix it with the color to give you a warm undertone. And what I just basically did is just to mix it with another foundation. Normally what I would have done is to mix it with a red or a nice yellow, and it will give me a little bit of the warmth I need in it. So right now I'm just basically applying it on my face. And guys, if you are seeing my face again for the first time, please kindly subscribe, drop your comment, like this video. Some of my videos don't get comments, and I'm wondering, why do I have 20k subscribers and no comments? Yeah, please, I want us to change that this new year, and that is why I'll be posting consistently, and also try to post what you people like. I know you people like gilly. Most of my subscribers like gilly, just that it is not sustainable for me, and that is why most of the time you see makeup, because like I stated earlier, before, not on this video, on another video, I want to do makeup regularly for work. So I'll be doing makeup frequently. I'll be doing it more often than I would usually do it, because right now I just believe I've gotten to the stage where my face has to look really nice, and that is why anywhere I go I want to at least have a nice bit on my face before stepping out. Yeah, so right now I'm just applying my concealer, making sure it is all blended out. And I've told you guys that the hack for a beautiful makeup is having it blended together. You want to make sure all the products marry into each other. They have to marry each other. If they don't marry each other, your makeup will look really tacky, your makeup will not look good, your makeup will be looking like, how would I put it, a roadside makeup. So to make sure you avoid that, you have to blend everything well. And I'm going into this setting powder in Mirac. Most of the products I'm using here are really affordable products. They are products that you can get anywhere, and if you're interested in getting any product, you can send me a message or drop a comment, because I also have a makeup line. I sell makeup products, so I can help you get any of these products and ship them to you anywhere you are in the world. I am ready to do that. So right now I'm just setting my face. This is not baking, it is me setting, just using the powder to just make sure all the concealer I applied under my eyes are really intact, they don't move. Yeah, you don't want it to bulge afterwards, and that's the essence of using this setting powder. And once I am done with, I'll be going straight into this beauty powder palette, that's Big Charm powder palette, and I'll be using it to set the rest of my face, places where I did not use my setting powder. So this is just majorly what I do on a normal day. I don't know if there's a particular look you would like us to achieve on this channel. I noticed that most of my looks are almost the same. Well, that is what it means to have a signature. Everybody will see your work and know, oh, this is your work. Like when they see the Alpha Glam, they know, oh, this is the Alpha Glam. I think with time now, I've already had a signature without even knowing, and which is soft glam look. I intend to build it out, intensify it, but for now, here is what we have. And right now, if you noticed, I'm using a purple blush. God, if you are dark skin, please try a purple blush, you'll thank me later. If you are light skinned, pink blush, a light pink blush is what will work. But if you are dark skin, just try a purple blush, you really love it. Now I'm going into this Glamour bronze. This is my favorite bronzer of all times. I was thinking of trying the Juvia's bronzer, but I'm here to lay my hands on it. Once I do, I'll make a review about it, and if I love it as much as I actually love this Morph Glam Glamour bronzer. I'll also be using this to accentuate my eyes. You want to make sure that your eyes looks a bit elevated, and that's the essence. Most of the things you do in makeup is just to accentuate your features. You want to make sure some places look elevated, you want to make sure your nose look pointed, you want to make sure everywhere looks good. Yeah, that is that. And right now I'll be going into this powder. This is my Milani powder, and I intend to stop using it because this powder has gotten really expensive and it is not drugstore anymore. This is already moving to high-end powder. Yeah, so I'll just be using it to set the rest of my face. This powder now I'll be using for my Odogu clients. But the thing about me is that I feel like if I can use this product for my Odogu client, I should be able to use it for myself because I'm also an Odogu. The fact that I have it, I'm also an Odogu. Right now I'm going into my eyeshadow, and you can see I'm using my finger to press it. This is the quality of a good eyeshadow palette. If your eyeshadow is very good, you can use your finger to tap it on your face and you will not even have any fallout because it will melt into your skin, and that is it. And if you notice, I'm using it without any primer on my eyelid and it still looks really nice. Yeah, so that is the beauty of a good eyeshadow. Right now I'm brushing my brows and I'm going into this Evershine pencil. If you want an updated eyebrow tutorial, I think I did one last year, but we have to keep doing it so that everyone will know that okay, this is what is in vogue right now. But what is in vogue right now is using a dark pencil, using it for your outline, then using a bright pencil for your waterline. Right now I'm using the Davis pencil. I used the Evershine pencil earlier. Now I'm using the Davis pencil to fill it in. Especially if you're a dark babe. I've seen that some makeup artists use it for light babe, but for me I feel like it is you doing too much, but you know, everybody has their preferences. Right now I'll be using my Golibe concealer palette. I've been loving that palette. I think the fact that it has different colors, different concealers, it also has blush, it just makes me love it because it is multi-purpose and it just gets the work done. Right now I'll just be blending that in, and that is it for my brows. I'm good. Right now I'll be using the longest makeup product I've ever had in my stash, which is this kajal. I use it on my waterline, and funny enough, somebody saw my eyes today and the person was like, oh, what kajal did you do? It looks really pretty, and I'm like, it's a normal kajal, the local kajal that we all know. She's like, oh wow, so nice and all. So everything is about how you use it. Just put it on your waterline. Right now I'm trying to accentuate that kajal to the sides of my eyes just to give it a wing. You don't necessarily have to use a liquid eyeliner to create a wing. You can use what you used on your waterline to create that wing and you're good to go. And now I'll be lining my lips. I'm lining my lips right now with the Davis brow pencil. I've been loving the Marigold lip liner pencil. God, if you have that lip liner, you will love it. And now I'm going into this Ren Cosmetics. I just felt like, oh, let me use red lips today so I can blend with my gilly. And yeah, it looked really nice. It looked really okay, even though I look different. It does not feel like the regular me, because the regular me will be using a nude lip combo, but today I just said let's go red, let's go pepper red. But also the fact that I lined my lips before applying this lipstick made it look more like a wine lip than a red lip, because it's actually dark red, but the dark lip liner also made it look darker than normal. So you can see when it dried down matte, it looks a bit darker. Yes, and that's the beauty. So right now I'm just brushing off excess powder, also accentuating the blush. I just want the blush to be out there a little bit, and yeah, just brushing everything. And once I am done, I'll be going into this beautiful mascara. Guys, you know how much I hate fixing false lashes. Yeah, so I should have used eyelashes, like false eyelashes on this look, but I just was not in the mood. And I will tell you that it killed the look, because if I had eyelashes on, oh my god, this look would have been fire. It would have been serious fire. But nah, I don't just like fixing false eyelashes. I prefer even the semi-permanent lashes to fixing lashes. Yeah, so right now I'm just accentuating my lower lash also, And lastly, I'll be going into this glow. Okay, this is the second to the last step. I'll be using this on the sides of my cheek because I just felt that the look was just looking so boring, nothing. I decided to go into my highlighter. I really use it, I really go for it. But now I've started using it again. And lastly, I'll be going into this my SBS lock in. I'll be using this to finish up the makeup, and yeah, this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.